These oven-baked buffalo wings are such a classic. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Start by patting down your pieces of chicken. Then place them in a large bowl and dust them with the baking powder and seasoning. Toss to coat them evenly. And place them on your prepared sheet pan. Place them in your preheated oven, and let's get started on the sauce. In a saucepan, melt your butter, and then add your crushed garlic. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and then add your sugar and your seasonings. Stir it around, and then add your Worcestershire sauce. Then your hot sauce, and give it a whisk. Simmer for 5 minutes, and then transfer it to a bowl. When your chicken is cooked halfway, turn them around and place them back into the oven to finish cooking. Meanwhile, prepare some vegetables. Then transfer your sauce to a large enough bowl and place your cooked pieces of chicken into the bowl with the sauce and toss them to coat. Place them on your platter with the vegetables and serve with your favorite ranch or blue cheese dressing. If you like this recipe, click like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes.